Why is Ewing sarcoma called a developmental tumor? Imagine a cell that is still in its early stages of becoming something specific, like a bone cell or a tissue cell. Ewing sarcoma is called a developmental tumor because it starts from these very immature, or primitive, cells that are part of normal growth and development. During childhood and adolescence, these cells are supposed to mature into fully functioning tissue. But sometimes, something goes wrong. Instead of developing normally, these early cells undergo genetic changes that cause them to grow uncontrollably and form a tumor. One of the main reasons Ewing sarcoma is classified as a developmental tumor is because it originates from stem or progenitor cells. These are cells that have the potential to become different types of tissue, such as bone or soft tissue. In Ewing sarcoma, these cells get affected by specific genetic alterations, which disrupt their normal development. A common genetic change involves a translocation, where parts of two chromosomes fuse together. The most typical fusion is between the USAR1 gene and a gene from the ETS family, like FLI1. This abnormal fusion gene produces a faulty protein that messes with normal gene regulation, causing the immature cells to grow and divide rapidly, leading to tumor formation. This genetic event is believed to happen during early development or when the cells are still differentiating, which supports the idea that Ewing sarcoma is a tumor of developmental origin. It shares features with primitive neuroectodermal tumors, which also come from early developmental cells of the nervous system. The fact that Ewing sarcoma mostly affects children and young adults further emphasizes its link to development, as these age groups are characterized by active growth and tissue formation. Understanding that Ewing sarcoma comes from immature cells involved in normal development helps researchers focus on its unique biology. It also guides treatment strategies aimed at targeting these early-stage cells and the genetic changes that drive their abnormal growth. Recognizing its developmental roots is crucial for advancing research and improving outcomes for those affected by this type of cancer. Always remember, if you or someone you know is dealing with a diagnosis like this, consulting healthcare professionals is essential for personalized care and the latest treatment options.